Day one. We've made it to the bathroom at the zoo. Our next plan is to go to the carousel. If you find this video, that means we're dead. I want you to tell my mom that she's kind of a cunt and that I died a virgin. It is the saddest thing in my entire life. Bye! We lost 2 members of our crew. We didn't expect the lake. We're headed. I don't even know where we're going. I'll try to contact you soon. We almost didn't make it. We've made it to the car. Oh my god. I'll never fucking unsee that. Oh shit. We're headed to Venus. But still we stand tall. We've descended into anarchy. The team isn't following me, the team isn't following anyone, the team's just gone completely insane. We're gonna start killing and eating each other. We're gonna be home soon. I think we might make it. What the fuck is that? Fucking Triceratops, man. We made it. We made it. Oh my God. We made it.